Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and look at this weather already. What a great start to the year. If it keeps up like this, it'll be amazing. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best of both worlds. A medium wheelbase Trouvaille with a pop top. So you can sleep 4 people in a high roof van. What better could you ask for? Let's have a look around the van first. Oh, stunning van, really is attractive. And this is an Atek roof on here. So it's got a beautiful big nose cone, really lifts the front up. And then if you can see, looking at the roof there, a nice deep roof. And the beauty of that is, you can keep your bedding up there. It's got a purpose-made thick mattress up there. It really is the best of both worlds. I keep trying to talk Sonia for us to have one of these. And maybe, fingers crossed, you never know. But stunning van, it really is. The vans are so attractive these days. I really like these. And as you can see, Fiamma wind-out awning, 3.2 metre awning on there, awning lights as well. And don't forget, all hours are keyless entry and go. This one's an automatic, beautiful option, really is. And electric step as we come in. Now, Jess will have to advise me what colour it is, because I don't know what this is. Do you know what it is, Jess? Chevron duck egg, apparently. But it's a really nice, different texture than we normally do. So the customers chose this. It's got a hint of silver in there. It really is pretty. It's got a gorgeous feel to it. It really does feel nice. Nice texture. And splashback must be Niagara green. And don't forget, this is on the new design as well. So it's got these new extra little touches in the shelving, the new cupboards and so on. Really pretty. And lots of cupboards. We've got the roof open, that's why that's catching. And as you can see, we've still got all this natural light above where you come in. And that's because we've put a Midi Heki, the big 700 by 500 vent, right over the opening for the roof. So you get a flood of natural light coming in, and that's where you climb up into your roof. This is not put away properly, so it looks better than this when you spend a bit of time putting it away. It's just that we've had it up and down. It's unreleased. It's got these big catches. Look at these for catches. Really nice big catches. You know when it's secure. It's a quality roof, it really is. But look at this. I'm walking up and down, so it's a high top model. It still feels really light. We can't have a rear roof vent in because there's a bed above there. But you get lots of natural light still. And then obviously you can open the back doors. Use the back end of the van. Make sure there's nothing behind there. 270 doors. Fold right back as well. So lovely big cupboards. Place there for your cooking books and bits and bobs. Your chopping boards. And like I say, this is on the new design and it's stunning, it really is. Lots of new features on this. This customer's chose a microwave option. And we've got a big sink, the big cooker. If you've never seen one of our vans before, this is a high top medium wheelbase, 5.4 metres in length. Literally probably that much longer than a short wheelbase. Incredible size and so much space in here. Now, as a high top, usually it's only 2-berth, but the big difference on this van is it's got a pop top on. So we've seen the vans before. Let's have a look at the roof. Now, you do need a telescopic ladder to get up there because it is quite tall. 6'3" clearance. Let me just grab my ladder while Jess is still looking at the van. It's 6'3" clearance in the van. So the easiest way to get up there is a telescopic ladder. So I'll come back through the van. Because you don't want to be storing a massive ladder to get up into a roof. Whereas, like I said, this works really well. It's 2 metres high, this ladder. And then you can put it between the seats. You can rest it up there. And then you can push your roof up. So, it's ram assisted. So, you need a door open to get it up there. But all you need to do is give it a push. And up it goes. Now, let me open this front window so we get some really nice light in here. This front one's a mesh window. We're all mesh windows on this. Some different roofs have different options. What a great space, it really is. Look at this mattress. Fills this entire space. It's like a full-size double bed. It really is. And don't forget, I'm 6'5", if you remember. Well, 5'10", used to be. So you can check out the size of a mattress. You can fit 2-3 people up here, no problem. You know, kids will love it. It's a great space for out of your way. And you could just come up here and sleep up here in the summer. You may choose to sleep up here. and not make the beds downstairs. That's the versatility of this van. It really does work well. You've got reading lights at both sides, and you know, there's a hatch above as well, so if you want some light coming out, I'll not open it today because it started raining, but yeah, if you want some fresh air coming in, you can put that on vent, and you can have it on different settings. So you could have it on that setting, let some fresh air in. You can pull the blind across the mesh. You could have a little bit of heat, light coming in, a little bit of vent coming in at night time as well. So and there is these little side vents as well, so there's lots of fresh air coming into a space like this. What a great space. And it shows you the height of it there. You can get two people comfortable up there. My boys would love it up there, they really would. And the benefit of that would be you'd have all the extra storage. So you know, we use the pop top, which is behind. Oh no, it's over there being washed. We use the lower version, the pop top version, but obviously because it's a lower van, even less storage. Whereas in this van, you know, you've got all the storage, fly screen on the sliding door. You can have the dog gates on, which you see in my other video when we take Jack. But you've got this extra storage. You know, there's a nice storage over the cab here, over the door, bigger wardrobe. Because you've got the height, you've got bigger wardrobe, bigger bathroom, and it just oodles of storage. Automatic version as well, like I say. Lovely automatic. The way to drive these. We do a lot of autos at the minute. Seems to be a very popular choice. And just lovely. Remis cab blinds in the front as well. So, if you like what you see, you can check us out on more videos, or you can come to one of our coffee mornings. Come for a workshop tour. So, hopefully, we'll see you soon.